Here's what happened. I took this pool table, I put it on the internet, and it sold for $300 more on eBay than it did in my store. So I put up a second one, and then a third one, and then a fourth one. And within 3 months, we're selling 12 a week. That's not bad. Within a year, we're selling 600 a month. We've become the largest seller of pool tables in the entire world. That's $1 million a month on the internet. Not bad, right? For something I didn't want to do. Sometimes there's an opportunity. It's right in front of us, but we just don't see it. This is an event about internet marketing, right? We're going to learn. Who wants to learn how to make more money on the internet? That should be everyone in the room. That's why you're all here, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to share with you how everything you've learned so far about making money on the internet applies to what I'm about to tell you in the next hour. Would that be fair? Here, I have a whole other question for you. If I could teach you how to make a lot of money, as long as it's legal, a lot of money, do you care how? Or do you just want to make a lot of money? Who wants to make, come on, be honest with me. Who wants to make a lot of money? Not a little bit of money, a lot. Okay, good, because your hand was down over. I want to make sure. Because I'm going to show you some examples of things you can do tonight. It doesn't take a week. It doesn't take a month. It doesn't take a year. We're going to do things that you can start doing right away. In the last 5 years, I sold $20 million on eBay, more than any individual seller in the history of eBay. So I like eBay. eBay's good. I've also sold about $23 million on the internet. So everything I'm going to share with you works. Everything I'm going to share with you, we do. We do it every day. We use the tools and the techniques you're going to learn. It's an additional stream of income that's recession-proof. You make money really, really, really fast. You have more flexibility in your schedule. You do the things you want to do with the people you want to do them with. I'm just going to tell you this last one. I have a little girl at home. She's just turned 11 last week. She used to get an allowance. Now she gets a commission. A little percentage of everything we sell on the internet because we bring the whole family into the business together. So